Now to children and young people's television. We have 2 awards tonight for children and young people and also for animation, where we have become world beaters over the years. Here with the nominees are 2 of the most animated people I know, and God help us, they're in 3D. Brace yourselves, people, it's Jedward!
All right, it's great to be here. You're all looking absolutely amazing. All right, let's get to this, okay? Growing up, we used to love watching cartoons.
Yes, John, we used to run down the stairs with our blankets, turn on a TV.
And watch those cartoons, didn't we?
Yes, but we can't call them cartoons anymore. It's animation.
Animation. Here are the nominees. Let's do the animation award. Let's do it.
Bing.
Can we play hide and seek now, Emma? Yay! Can I be it first? Hide and seek!
Okay, quiet, please.
Lily's Driftwood Bay.
I don't have anything to hang on thinking tree, Lily.
You can have this bow for best friends.
Nelly and Nora.
Let's go say hello. Okay.
Puffin Rock.
A puffin egg, maybe.
It's not a puffin egg. They're white, not blue.
That's what I was thinking.
Thank you, thank you. And the IFTA goes to... Open the envelope, John.
I feel like I'm opening a bill, but I'm not. I'm just opening it. Okay, here we go. I should have had this pre-opened. Sorry, everyone. Okay, and the winner is Lily's Driftwood Bay.
Amazing. Get in there. Say your speech.
Oh, do you know, hey, it's broken, look. Do you know, that was such a 4-horse race. We did not expect to come to the stage tonight to win. We all had our money in Puffin Rock, to be perfectly honest. Do you know what? Ireland is absolutely on fire when it comes to animation at the moment. We collectively, North and South, island-wide, are the heroes of the world when it comes to making this kind of content. And you know, this is kind of an award for all of us, really. Lily's Driftwood Bay is a show which, it's really from the heart. It's been made from the heart. And we made it to really be a mirror to reflect the lives of real kids. The show you saw tonight deals with death and how to deal with loss. And we wanted to kind of not make a show which was saccharine sweet, but a show which is really kind of going to touch kids' hearts. Thank you so much. This means so much. Thank you.